Hello, my name is Luke Grenier. I'm Director of Human Resources here for the Fairmont Springs Golf Club. First, I'd like to welcome you to our team and to your first training session for our check-in process. Let's get started with Hole 1. Hole 1 is all about preparing for the guest, which includes bag drop, lobby, pro shop, and front desk. At the bag drop, you'll be following a specific code to assure that everything is prepared and ready for the guest, which includes being designated first point of contact. Crucial that it be cleaned and organized each and every morning prior to the arrival of the guest, and loading up iPad with the tee sheet for the day and ensuring they have all Valley software updated for any predetermined reservations. Following the bag drop, we have the lobby and pro shop. We must ensure this environment is clean and organized. This includes assuring that there's a setup check-in service and preparing all communication channels for when guests arrive at the course. Always remember to review the schedule for any events or special guests, as we try to collaborate between all departments within our hotel and property. Once everything's been prepared, you can move on to Hole 2, the first point of contact. Now, this is the most important part of the check-in experience and is the first official time you'll be interacting with the guest. This moment can essentially make or break the guest's experience, which is why it's the first point of contact comes in two forms, which is the bag drop and the pro shop. At bag drop and the valet, you'll be greeting the guest, asking them to allow you to approach their trunk and grab their bags, check if they have any questions, direct them to the appropriate lot, ask if they are valet, and direct them to the valet desk in front of the lobby doors, and of course, as always, wish them a wonderful day. It's key that this touch point always be done in this order, as we want you to take it in your own route, but also follow our steps of service that we've prepared just for you. Following the bag drop, we have the lobby and pro shop. Now that it's clean and organized, we can properly greet the guest. Once the guest arrival has been communicated to you, you can put their names on the e-welcome board as an added touch. Always ask them about their stay so far. Remember, we are there for them and want to make sure that we're fulfilling all of their needs. Discuss any of their needs or questions, and always allow them to look around the pro shop as much as they'd like. Of course, once the arrival of their carts and bags is confirmed, the guests may be directed out towards our exit lounge. Now, once all these key touch points have been hit, this is where your own personal touch can come into play, with Fairmont's Success Steps of Service. Here at Fairmont, we follow a strict code of success, which features our values and goals, as well as our golf partner, the Professional Golfers Association of America. Coming in these 5 steps. Transforming moments into priceless memories. Remember, each and every member of our team is a part of the overall Fairmont Banff Springs experience. You have the power to be the positive change in creating priceless memories to our guests, whether it is the first or 100th time visiting our property. The goal is to treat every experience as if it is brand new. You are prestigious. As a member of our world-class team of hospitality professionals, you have been specifically selected for your ability to promote our mission and vision. Be proud of your position and what you do. It will not only benefit you, but the guests you are helping as well. This also means making it your own and adding a specific touch to each and every duty that you do. We have Be an Agent of Change. You have the power to completely turn around a guest's experience. We here at Fairmont want to give you the tools to be your absolute best with our guests. It's important that you discuss the changes that you think should occur in order to not only improve guest experience, but your experience as a member of our team. It's all about the guest. And number 4, you have the power to turn around one's experience. It should be your priority to ensure that the check-in process is both a smooth and enjoyable experience for them. Work together and collaborate with each step in the process in order to create a beautiful, seamless transition in which the guest is always attended to. And finally, always ask if there's anything additional you can do to make their experience more enjoyable. Finally, we have your final call to action and thank you. You are there for the guest and each of their actions can help you make the next move in the check-in and service processes. Always prepare yourself to walk through each part of the experience with the guest. Remember that understanding the guest's point of view can help you prepare for the next step of the experience. And finally, and most importantly, always thank the guest. Without them, we would have anybody to serve and cater to this amazing experience. Now, for hole 4, let's take a little review. Preparing for the guests is always the most important, as it's an important first impression to make on them. And once that's ready, you can make the first point of contact. And finally, by adding your own specific touch, thanks to Fairmont's 6 steps of service, you can go through all of these touch points and truly succeed for yourself and the guest. Finally, on behalf of all of us at Fairmont Banff Springs Golf Club, thank you for your time, and we truly look forward to having you as a member of our team.